I will talk about how can you pay your order on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is to pay your order. So you just uh, looking here for any order you want to pay. I'm going to click to this for example. Then it's going to take you to this is here. So then here you select here. So here can you select type of this. So there is order not available here. I'm going to looking for order is available. I'm going to click to this order here. So then it's going to show for you like this, and here can you select here. So then it's going to show for you like this, and here can you select continue here. You just click on pay now, then it's going to pay with you when you add your card information. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.